Are you dreaming of earning extra cash from the comfort of your home? Get paid to GPT sites offer a legitimate way to do just that. But beware, not all GPT sites are created equal. This video cuts through the noise, separating the scams from the genuine opportunities. We'll explore how these platforms work, revealing the secrets to maximizing your earnings. Forget the misleading promises. We'll focus on proven, reliable websites where you can earn real money for sharing your opinions. Get ready to discover the path to legitimate online income and learn how to avoid the pitfalls of fraudulent GPT sites. We'll equip you with the knowledge to make informed choices and embark on a successful journey to earning money from home. Not all GPT sites are created equal. Identifying legitimate platforms is crucial to avoid scams. Look for sites with transparent payment policies, readily available contact information, and positive user reviews from multiple sources. Beware of unrealistic promises of quick riches or hidden fees. Poor website design, grammatical errors, and an absence of user testimonials are all red flags. We'll show you examples of trusted platforms with proven track records, showcasing payment screenshots and verified user experiences. By understanding these key indicators, you can confidently select legitimate GPT sites and avoid wasting your time and effort on fraudulent schemes. Ready to boost your GPT earnings? It's not just about participating, it's about smart participation. We'll reveal strategies to maximize your income, such as identifying high-paying surveys and understanding qualification criteria. Actively manage your profile to ensure you're matched with relevant surveys. Consistency is key. Regular participation leads to greater earning potential. We'll illustrate these strategies with visual aids, showcasing how consistent effort translates into higher rewards. Learn the secrets to optimizing your time and effort to earn more, faster, with clear, actionable tips. Let's address the common concerns surrounding GPT sites. Many wonder about data privacy. We'll clarify how reputable platforms protect your information. Concerns about time commitment are valid. We'll discuss realistic expectations and time management strategies. We'll also tackle questions about the legitimacy of earnings, providing evidence and expert insights to confirm that GPT sites can provide a genuine source of income. Remember, responsible participation is key. Avoid unrealistic expectations and always prioritize reputable platforms. We'll provide clear answers to your questions, dispelling myths and fostering trust in the process. So, you're ready to start earning from home? We've covered how to identify legitimate GPT sites, maximize your earnings, and avoid common pitfalls. Remember the key takeaways: research thoroughly, prioritize reputable platforms, and stay consistent. Now it's time to take action. Visit the websites we've recommended in the description below and start your journey today. Share your experiences in the comments. Let's build a supportive community. Earning extra money from home is achievable with the right knowledge and approach. Don't delay. Start exploring the world of legitimate GPT sites and unlock your earning potential.